What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build Break and Fix, brought to you by two of your raw coders. And today we have Finesh. How are you feeling, Finesh?
Hey Zain, hello everybody. Yeah, feeling good. Um, got a little bit of a cold, but otherwise good.
Yeah, I think it's that time of the season that Poland is everywhere.
hmm
Hmm.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
weather changes as well. It's hot and then it's cold, so that's what happens. But
Yes. Hmm. Especially in Melbourne, you can't tell when it will be rainy, sunny, cold, or even snow.
yeah, true.
Yeah, brilliant. All right, cool. So I'll do the acknowledgement of the country and pay our respects to the elders of the past, present, and future. So here goes. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Fantastic. That was smoothly done. Hey, Gagdev. Um, I, to be honest, I have it in my mind, but I'm not just finding the time to do that. So what I might do is uh, finish. If you don't mind, I can share my Canva creds with you. Would you mind updating the slide?
Yeah, can do. No problem. Um, I'm not very familiar on the background or terminology required for
It's pretty easy.
indigenous people in Bali, but
Yeah, probably. I think they're called. Probably Google it because I don't really want to speak the wrong term here.
what would you
That's
estimate?
project management speaking now.
Well, what does he
So,
mean?
Finish. What would be the ETA on Canva work?
Oh,
As in
okay.
updating the slide.
Um, Maybe I would say 1 week. Because maybe less. I need to look into the terminology and um, the the kind of terms to use and all that before I. But yeah, the updating the slide shouldn't be much work. But I just want to get it right, in terms of the right language to use.
Exactly. Yeah, and that makes complete sense. And you're you probably don't want to forget the main part,
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
which is recording y- your voice.
Oh, really? It's okay.
Yes.
I thought you were gonna do
Because
that.
that's how I've done it. I mean, yeah, I can do it as well, but I'm pretty sure people are really bored from my voice. So it'll be kind of a fresh thing out of the box to have it in a different voice as well. What does Gektev think? Right, how about he chooses your voice or my voice? And I'm 100% sure he's gonna go with yours.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, you have a deadline finish, seems like.
yeah. I
Okay,
guess it's
here we
from me
go.
then. All
Yeah,
right,
cool.
no worries.
Fantastic. All right, cool. So, yeah, I'll just give a brief of what me and Tori did yesterday. So, we just ended up just doing an entire merge for both backend and front end. And yeah, we merged everything into dev branch of both the front end and the back end,
Mm-hmm.
and we haven't tested yet. So I guess in the next today's thing to do would be to test it while being on a dev branch.
Mm-hmm.
So once it's fully working on dev, well, I wouldn't say fully working, but the main functionality is there. There might still be bugs, which is always expected, but yeah, I just want to make sure that the dev branch has all the changes that we merged.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Mhm. All right,
Understand.
fantastic. Gekdev's asking, can we get Tori to do it with finish one each line? That would be more professional. I'm pretty sure he's being sarcastic there.
Maybe Tori can do the Bali line, and I can do the Australia line, and the Australia part. Tori can do the Bali part, and then you know, because like
Yeah,
he's in Bali,
yeah,
so he can represent
true,
Bali.
true. Yeah, that makes sense though. Um, yeah, I think you both can work with each other how you guys want to do it. I'll leave I'll leave it up to you both.
Okay, sounds good.
Um, unli- what is tandoor? I'm really curious about this. He's
It,
mentioned it the fourth time now, basically.
it means tandoori chicken, right? Like,
Oh, hang on. Is it something to do with food?
I think so.
Yeah, tandoor. So, kind of the spicy chicken, tandoori chicken, is prepared
Yeah,
by the roasting chicken marinated in yogurt and spices in a tandoor, a cylindrical clay oven. Ah, did you get it?
yes, yes,
What it
yes.
means?
A clay oven,
Right,
but
right. I haven't seen that before my entire life. A
me
clay
neither.
oven.
But
Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to ask my mom and dad what does it look like because they must have. All right, cool. So, do you wanna get? Do you wanna uh open up the code on your end, and we can give you a bit of a hands-on as well.
yeah, yeah, can do.
Comes from India, I think. I thought you would have a couple of Nash. Hang on, you're not from India, are you?
No, I'm from Malaysia.
Yeah, yeah, I thought so.
Yeah, I'm Malaysian Indian, so
Ah, okay, right.
yeah. Oops.
Yeah, India's getting really popular in Australia now.
True.
He's asking, were you born in Malaysia?
Yeah, yeah. I was born in Malaysia. Moved here when I was like 9 years old. So spent a little bit of time there, like 9, 10 years there. So yeah,
Mm. Ah, okay, so you've been brought up in Australia but born in Malaysia.
yeah, pretty much. Yeah, all my family's in Malaysia as well. Um, yeah,
Okay, except your parents, obviously.
yeah, except my parents and my sisters who are here, but everybody else is still Malaysia.
Really, really
Yeah.
get them.
Wow.
Really?
The, the if you guys didn't know, like Indians have been in Malaysia for like a long time, like 150 years.
Hmm.
Um,
Oh,
yeah, so really long time. Um,
okay. I didn't know that.
yeah,
Interesting.
no, actually brought over by the British. So yeah, bit of a
Hmm.
history.
I see. Yeah, history hasn't been my strong subject.
Yeah, neither am I, to be honest. But I just know that.
Cool, cool.
Um,
Right. It would probably be the dev branch this time.
okay. Let me just see. So yeah, branch. Need a git switch branch, right?
Yeah. Switch dev. There you go. Switch to a new branch.
From origin. I think that's
That's
correct. I
fine.
think.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. All right. Now you want to do a git pull. Already up to date. Huh? We just updated the code. How can it already be up to date? Is it really up to date?
Um,
Do you wanna see the change that is showing you on your Git Explorer source control?
this one.
Notes. Oh, that you can probably hang on, go down. There are some other changes as well. Console.log. That should be fine. We
Oh, it's
can get
just
rid of
this.
them. Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm, Now do a switch to okay. Just how is this? Your branch is
Mhm.
already updated. Okay, never mind. We can just start the project and test in this way.
Okay. Did we? You wanted to check the changes first? Is that correct?
Yes, yes. So I wouldn't say the WebSocket changes, but just the other one saying getting aboard, and then passcode is appearing, and then when we are trying to save the board, then it doesn't save until the passcode is correct.
Okay. Okay. We have already checked all these functionality though, right? I thought. Oh, just yeah. I get what
Yes,
you mean
brain dev.
because
Mm-hmm.
yeah, makes sense.
Brain dev.
Okay. So. hmm, Okay.
Brilliant.
Save.
Okay, and I'll check in the DB. Okay, actually, just going to Postman and check it. So it's dev test, isn't it?
Yes, that does. Yeah.
Get a board. No, don't. Yeah, get a board. Test. Get a board. They created. Div board. Was it dev test, isn't it? Test. Okay, yeah, of course. And how many nodes did you create?
Four. Four nodes.
So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. All right, cool. And now if you wanna exit and basically open it up again, but this time get hit.
What do you mean? Just like go
Yeah.
into the board?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Oh, fantastic. All right. Now if you wanna add a note and try saving it with the wrong password.
Okay.
So yeah, we're just making sure that the merge we did, all the changes have come into the dev branch from all our feature branches.
This is safe. Is the column
Hmm?
safe? Did the column save? Save? I can't remember.
Not entirely sure at the moment, but that's not the scope. So I just try and stick to the scope. We can always come back to the increased scope.
Yeah, fair enough. I was just curious.
Yeah, that makes sense. And it's a good reminder as well, there, as in to make sure that columns are saved as well.
I saw invalid password. So yeah. Do you want to check?
Right. So it's not. We probably have to increase the timing of invalid passcode then. Okay, I will just check. So which one did you add?
Plus, you can maybe it needs to show up in front. But anyways,
Yeah, it's Z index has to increase. Right.
so you can't
Which
see
one
it
did
now.
you do?
This
Yeah.
one, another node.
So in total, it still should be 4 nodes, isn't it?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. De- Dev tester 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. Yep. And yes, so that one has to be into the right at the front. Cool. So now try and give it the right passcode.
Okay. You know, that's another thing I was thinking, saying like it should automatically go to the next.
Yeah.
When we click the
Yeah,
key.
yeah, exactly. So we would probably have to work on that one. Okay, so there should be 5 notes now, isn't it?
Yes.
So dev test 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one didn't really come. Jason dev test 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one did you add?
This one.
What does it say? I can't read it.
Oh, another node.
Oh, another note. Hang on, so that one was test 1, test 2, hello. Blue roll code is hello. Test 2, test 1. Maybe it would take a while to come. If that's the case, that's not really doing the right thing.
Are you checking in Postman or DynamoDB? I mean, either way, it
Uh,
doesn't matter.
Postman, but yeah, it should be the same.
Hmm.
Get. So that's the dev test. 1, 2, test hello, and then roll coders. Yeah. Alright, I guess we found a bug.
What do you
Do you
mean
wanna
test at the
maybe add? Mm-hmm.
same time? Oh, what does GigDev mean by test at the same time? Like if you and I get on at the same time. So if you get on this board as well, but then it's not public, right? I mean, it's not published, right? Did you guys publish it too?
No, not yet. So, were you saying that can you test at the same time?
That's what GigDev has asked.
Deploy to that branch online to test.
Hmm. Yeah, we should do that actually.
Yes, as in that's our next step. GagDev, we're gonna do that, as in deploy it, and then begin our internal testing. So yeah, let's deploy it.
Deploy now?
Yeah, still right.
Um,
Uh, GagDev, this is just a kind of we are making sure that our merge were done. You know, there's one more stage coming, though, super duper internal testing as well.
so just this bucket, right? Is it super? Sorry, Scrambler in front end.
Yes, in that bucket.
Okay.
You probably want to transfer the files and then come to that. Checking for git mess up is not. Okay, you can say it's a lazy way of checking for git mess up.
Do you remember the command, Zen? Oh, I can look it up.
Command for what?
uh, to control what is it called? The
Oh,
files to
you
S3
I
or the steps to do it. I don't quite remember.
yes. Hang on. It was AWS S3, and then copy something. Hang on. I'll just look out for you. To S3. Okay, cool. So it's AWS
Mhm.
S3 C space CP, and then you wanna give the local path of where all the files are, and then the S3 bucket name.
So there's more to it.
Oh, S3 slash S3 colon slash slash. No, sorry, not this one. If you put space next to Scrambler front end, just before that, it will come S3 colon slash slash. think that's the one. Yeah. Try this. No? Invalid length parameter key. It's been a while I've deployed to S3. Hang on, I'm just checking the thing. Let's make bucket managing objects. To be honest, I'm right. It is AWS S3 CP,
Mm-hmm.
then the file of folder, and then the S3 bucket name, as in S3 colon slash slash my bucket. Oh, do you wanna recursive probably? Unknown. Was that the problem? Yeah, that was the problem. Have you deployed any code to production yet, Zane? So, yeah, Dev, I don't work on the production projects. I just work on in the sales department where they have to demo the system, and we have got demo sites. So I just have to make sure that if there's any bugs or features need to be implemented to show the client as a demo, I do that. Okay, so now I don't know if he's being sarcastic or not.
Yeah, hard to tell. I've just taken my screen out just to check
Yeah.
my credential.
Okay. Cool. Demo master, you're a nice guy. Would be fun to see you run through the demo. You're a nice guy. What? Demo master, you're a nice guy. What? What does that mean? I'm not understanding you. Oh, so I don't do the demos. As in, I would do it at one point, but at the moment, I'm just kind of implementing functionality that the potential clients would want to see and to get impressed with, and just basically fixing the problems if they are occurring in the part that needs demoing. Yes, I am still. I thought you weren't developing though. I am developing, as in implementing functionalities and also bug fixing as well. Everything alright, Finesh?
Um, just trying to see. Let me just show you. Let's see.
Uh,
Because I thought we did this. We added it last time, right? It just gone.
right. You probably need to unable to look at. You probably have to specify the profile as well.
How do we? I don't remember. How do we do that?
So minus minus profile and then your profile name, but not deploying to prod. No. So Active, how my team, the team that I work in works is that we actually support the sales teams all across the world. So if they have to demo a certain system or certain project, we make sure that that system flows fluently across when they're demoing, so there are no bugs, the functionality is there that they want to see, etc., etc. So yeah, I don't work on a project basis. I work on, say, global support basis. I It didn't work.
Yeah, maybe it's not set. Saying like my profile.
Recurse- you are doing recursive as
Oh, oops, that was
space in there, which doesn't look right to me. Yeah, now try and lowercase r.
there we go.
Uh, have a sales sim done a demo after you have had to support it. Yes, of course, multiple.
Okay.
Um, yeah, let's check if the static one comes up, and then we can also do the attach it with CloudFront as well.
Yeah. Is it already attached to this in CloudFront? Can't remember.
I don't think so because we deleted the stack.
Yeah. Yep. 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 Makes sense.
So if you want to go to properties, and there must be a stat. Yeah, there we go. Uh, permissions. Oh, check finishes speed is smashing S3 at the moment.
I'd have to just remember it. Probably shouldn't have made everything public, but maybe it's for testing for now.
Yeah, I mean, for static website to work, they need to be public.
Every object?
Yeah, otherwise you won't be able to access the objects or the files that it needs to show the web page.
Okay. See. Interesting. Okay. I thought
Mm-hmm.
some files didn't have to be, but I guess yeah.
Yeah, I would say that's just a kind of a precaution we take in as in prod,
Hmm.
where we only check the files that need to be public, but I'm not gonna go through them. That would take way too much time.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's go to our CloudFront.
Oh yes, yes. Yeah. Let's do that.
I'm gonna just go and grab a snack here. Be right back.
No worries.
Yep, there we go.
Oh, music. I don't know why that is. Sure. Let me put incognito. Interesting. So this is the. It, it, doesn't this look like the old board? I think.
Yeah, you're just saying that the fonts on there, right?
Yeah. See, it looks different.
Yeah, I think we probably wanna if you go to console, inspect elements, console. That's why. Yep. So you can't find the font family rock.
Oh, interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting. I never knew that that would affect it.
Yep.
Okay. Wow. So let's get the. Let's maybe sort out the HTTPS thing first, right?
Mm-hmm. Don't forget the region.
Yeah. US East 1, right?
I thought it was Sydney, or not. I might have forgotten it.
Yeah. The search can only be for CloudFront. We can only use search from US East 1.
Okay, cool. But we already have the cert, don't we?
Yeah, we do. This one.
Yeah.
I'm just
So-
having a look.
Okay.
I think we can use the second one, I believe. Or actually, because we're using, I think we need let me just, so I think, the thing is we have two certs here, right? We have this one and this one.
Mm-hmm.
And for the CloudFront, distribution, we're using this one.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why it's that's why it's not coming up.
Oh, so I guess we want to try the other one.
The thing is, we need it for the www, so we probably need to create a new cert and then include both the domains in there, because now we have two certs, right? So instead, just create one more and then we delete the other two so that these two are included in one.
Yep. Let's do that.
Interesting thing is, this is HTTPS, but the font is still weird.
Mixed content, most loaded super requested when insecure. Oh, right, okay. So basically, we are calling HTTP from HTTPS.
Okay. I see.
and which is why the request has been blocked and the server does not like it.
So this has to be HTTPS, the font.
Yes.
I see. Okay.
So ours is right, but Google's one is insecure. I'm feeling really proud of us at this moment. Yeah, Google is wrong. We are right.
They probably have both, right? Like I assume.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know.
I'm just kidding, by the
Yeah.
way. um.
Yeah, that's we'll just
Oh, you can't delete it because those two are in use.
like yeah, this one is in use, but that's okay. We'll just take it out. Yeah.
It will take a while to affect the changes.
Yeah, true. Okay. Um, so I'll just delete this one.
I'm just laughing. I always, as in, have a bit of a heartbeat skipping when I delete stuff from Amazon console.
Yeah, true. Hey, Tori.
Hey Tori, what's happening? Yeah, the third geese is back. Yes, Yagdev, that's already the plan. And some of the bugs are already listed. And the Jira is basically kind of all crowded up. We need to get back in the habit of doing that as well. That's probably the hard cap on the number of tickets you can create though. Okay. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be under that cap, like that. Yeah. What we doing now, finish?
I was just kind of waiting for it to work, I guess. But we can, if we want, we can start testing that.
Yeah, probably it would be a better idea to start testing in the meanwhile as well because this is basically a small issue.
Sure.
Mm.
Okay.
I'm sure we're gonna have bigger issues than this one.
Fair enough. Okay. So, do you want to open up this board, say? And
Yeah, do you wanna give me the URL?
yes.
Dev test. Let's see what do we have in store now. Okay, I'm in there. I'm in the board as well.
Mhm.
And if I make any change, hang on a minute. I'm gonna rearrange my windows in a way that I can see my change in your screen as well.
Okay. Oops. Sorry. We what's it called? We were just
What's happening to the notes?
somebody's messing with us, I guess.
I knew someone was gonna do that. Yep. Interesting.
Bound to happen, I guess. Oh, what are you gonna do?
Oh, so if you refresh it, it goes.
Yeah, because we're not saving it.
That's the one. Yeah. Okay, so if I do Zane is testing. You know what? Ta-da!
He's just gonna.
This is fun, to be honest. I'm having so much fun at the moment. It's Tori.
Yeah.
Okay, and now, okay, so I don't know the password, right? So if I try to save it, what does it tell me? Okay. So
do the cards move on your end as well, say? No. Like when I do this.
no, they don't.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So I can't save it. If you wanna try and do that.
Save?
Yeah. Actually, not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
I think this might be a good time to save because he's just changing the color, right? I mean,
Yeah. This is interesting, to be honest. Alright, refresh.
it's just got my notes on it.
Yeah, and now do it.
Yeah, save. Oh.
Okay, so if I go into,
Your note disappeared.
did it?
Yeah.
It's interesting. If I check one Postman dev test,
It works, ship it.
Hmm?
Gekdev says it works, ship it.
Right, cool. So yeah, but so if you want to save the board now,
Okay. Did your note not come up? Right?
no, it didn't. That's why I want to have a look again. So now it should be.
See, it's disappeared. That's interesting.
So now it should be. Let me check on. Oh, my Postman has crashed.
You can check in Dynamo.
Test. So dev test. Roll coders. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hang on, am I even checking the right one? Okay, what I'm gonna do is delete the boards. Actually, would you be able to delete it? You're a lot closer
Okay.
to it than I am.
This board? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. As in all the boards.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Should we do another one? Oh.
Yeah. Do another one. Just wanna check if it gets if it saves it after getting it.
Okay. Are you adding a note?
No, I wasn't. I'm just gonna do that now. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Seems like our testing is not gonna be possible on the stream, so we would have to go offline and do the testing.
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
No, I'm just thinking. Yeah, probably. Maybe that's a better idea.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, do you wanna maybe take the sites off from S3? Perfect. All right, that is brilliant. Yeah. So yeah, I think that the testing would have to be as in in a particular way. I'm not gonna disclose it because it's not gonna happen then.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right, fantastic. Yeah. So, do you wanna anything in your mind?
No, yeah, I think I have some ideas as well, but yeah, we can talk about that.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah. Fantastic. Cool. So, do you wanna do the honors?
Yeah, sounds good. So yeah, thanks for joining us, everyone, on another episode of Build, Break, and Fix. Today we started testing, um, and what that means is we're just testing out the functionality on the dev branch of the project before we kind of put it out for testing for for a wider audience, essentially. Yeah, so I think that we got into some of some speed bumps, but yeah, we're on the right track to continue testing and for the future episodes. So yeah, thanks for joining us, everyone, and yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow, same time, same place, and
Different task. Alright, guys, have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.
thanks, everyone.